So, if you've ever owned a Nissan Hardbody, I'm pretty sure most of you hate this style shifter that the Nissan Hardbody comes with. I personally don't like it. Some people might like it. I don't. If you don't like it and you want to have a normal style shifter or a different style shifter, something that's more comfortable, to me, I think it's comfortable, you can do a short shifter, which is what I did here. So yeah, if you're tired of the trucker style shift knob on the Nissan Hardbody, I'm going to be showing you what I did to get a short shifter in this one. Pretty much what you're going to need to get is a S13 shifter, like the stick, or the S13 short shifter. When I bought the short shifter, it came with a whole bunch of accessories. You're not going to need any of this. You're not even going to need that plastic bushing it comes with, because that plastic bushing does not fit. You're just going to use the old plastic bushing. But yeah, you're just going to need the stick. That's all you really need. Pretty simple. You do need one of these though. You do need a snap ring plier. It's a fucking pain in the ass without it. I used a broken one that I got for free. Somehow I managed to get the snap ring out. But yeah, you're definitely gonna need that. And pretty much, I'm just gonna show you how I did it. I'm just gonna pretty much, I already have it installed, so pretty much there's gonna be 10 millimeters all around. This one, previous owner, I don't know what he did. He lost a whole bunch of them. But yeah, 10 millimeter. I gotta remove my new shift knob. Odds are you're gonna have to remove the stock shift knob anyway, regardless. Yeah, I'm loving this katana style. Well, it is a katana handle shift knob, and it's weighted. I love it. So yeah, pretty much, I'm just gonna lift it up. And just a reminder, when you do put this back, this is how it originally was positioned. What I pretty much did was I just flipped it around, because of the short shifter, it doesn't allow you to actually put it back originally. And then if I try putting it into like another gear, like second gear, the tension will throw it back into neutral. So pretty much I just flipped it around. You can drill holes, because not all the holes are there on some of these. They're not aligned. Yeah, just drill some holes and just place the frame where how it originally was. That's if you encounter that problem. Some shifters on hard bodies seem a little different, but that's the problem I encountered. Yeah, this is what it looks like. You don't have to remove the whole shifter assembly itself. You pretty much just have to take off the boot. Just be careful. This one's already torn, but pretty much that's just to stop water from getting into the transmission. But yeah, this is the actual shifter itself, the stick. So I'm just gonna take this off. Vice grips always come in handy. So yeah, now I'm gonna take the shift boot off. Just gonna take this boot off. And this is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can see, there is the two holes where you put the snap ring plier into. There we have it. Pull it out. But yeah, see, this is the stock plastic bushing. You're going to use that one. But I'm going to let you know, I had a spare shifter laying around, so I had to cut it just to get it out. This one is the one that comes with the short shifter. This will not work unless you do some custom fabrication to it. yeah, just put it all together and push it in. And then you're pretty much going to do the reverse cycle, put the snap ring plier back in. To be honest, it's actually a lot harder to put the snap ring back in because this is just spring loaded. But nonetheless, it's on there. Now it's time to put that boot back on, put everything back on. That's not going anywhere. But yeah, the throw is a lot shorter. A big major difference. I probably shouldn't be doing this without stepping on the clutch, but oh well, fuck it. Now it's time to put the boot back on. Like I said, this is how it originally was. You flip it around. If you have this problem, you flip it around. This you don't flip around. You don't flip around the frame. You put the frame back in the same position it was when you took it out. And you pretty much put the bolts back in. Don't tighten it too much. You just want it to be snug. Alright, so at this point, everything is bolted on. Well, it's missing bolts because the previous owner lost those. I don't know what he did with it. But it's time to put your shift knob, or, yeah, your shift knob, or stock shift knob, new shift knob, and put it on. And word of advice, shift knobs usually do have a nut on here. Well, they do come with a nut. That nut is actually very important. I've seen people say that the instructions weren't very clear and they just kept on going, and then they just like cross-threaded all the threads. This nut here is supposed to prevent that from happening. So yeah, just a helpful advice so no one has a really crappy day figuring out that they can't put even a stock shifter back in because they cross-threaded it. But yeah, that thing is there for a reason. And it feels amazing. Shifting it feels amazing. So much more smoother. Not all up in your face. I love it. Yeah, I guess I'll go for a test drive with it. Seatbelt came loose. Shit. There's a cop right there. Are they in the car? No. No cop is in the car, we're good. Oh, there's security right there. Some grippy tires. Not bad. But my review on the short shifter, amazing. I definitely recommend it if anyone has like a bucket seat like mine, or they just don't like the truck style shifter. I definitely recommend it, but if you do, I prefer you guys get a longer shifter because the stock shifter's down here. I'm not sure if you're comfortable with that. I'm comfortable with the longer shifter. It just feels so amazing. And this shifter is weighted too, so it really helps with the throws. It was fun. Last time I did the donut around the island, I was in the rain. I've never done the donut on that island in the dry. It's amazing. I'm actually surprised how easy it was to drift the Hardbody with these grippy tires. But I hope this video helped someone out. Hope it helped them make the decision on whether or not to do the short shifter or not. If you have any questions about it, let me know. I've been getting so many messages on Instagram about the short shifter, so that's why I made the video. Like I said, I hope this helps someone out today or wherever in the future. Any questions? Let me know. Send me a DM. Thanks for watching.